Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. Today I'm going to show you the proper way to hook up your trailer. Now this one here has got the, first thing to do is check your ball. This one's got a 2 5/16 ball on there, so you can have a 2-inch or a 2 5/16. Occasionally you find a couple Fisher Price trailers have a 1 7/8. Don't none of my trailers have that though. But you got the 2 5/16 easy latch, so all we got to do is let it down. I'm not going to jack it all the way up, but be sure to jack your jack all the way up. Avoid hitting potholes or other debris. Now, next thing to do would be to check your ride height. Typically, you want your trailer to be just a little bit above level. Right now, I'm level, so it needs to be a little bit higher than what it is now, but that'd be all right for the video. Make sure you have the proper connections here. This uses a 7-pin connection, which will just plug right into the back of the truck here. You've got your safety breakaway switch. Some of them will have just a steel cable, some will have the coiled cable. Coiled cable is much nicer. Get you a carabiner hook, hook it to your truck. Then you have your safety chains. These will be a little bit long for this one, so I'm going to twist them up a little bit, keep them up off the ground, and then hook them in there. Some states do require you to cross the chains. Most states don't care though, so as long as you got them hooked up, you're good to go. Now the reasoning behind that, if you do cross the chains, the idea is if it does come off, it'll fall and land in the chains. I've seen them fall and land, I've seen them fall and hit the ground. Sometimes it matters, sometimes it doesn't. The biggest thing is just make sure you got your safety chains hooked, coupler latched. You should also have a pin to go through here, which I don't have on me right now, but I'll get one out of the office before we go anywhere. And that'll be it.